In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a specific object in Photopea. So you can see on the screen here that I have this image of this car, and what we're going to do is change this red color into something else. Now, the very first thing you need to do is just come down to the adjustment layer in the bottom right hand side and go and click on New Adjustment Layer. You then need to click on Hue and Saturation. Now this layer should be placed right above the image that you want to change the colors from. So what we're going to do is right click on the Hue and Saturation and then select Clip in Mask. And you can see an arrow will appear next to the Hue and Saturation, and this basically shows you which layer this is going to be applied to. So you can see that this is going to be applied to my background layer. Now over on the right hand side next to Range, click on the drop down arrow, and from here just go and select the color that you want to change in your image. So you can see that this is a red car, so I'm going to select the color red. Now from here you could just go and adjust the hue in order to change the color of this car. So you can see I can change it to all these different colors inside of here. So let's go and make this a nice neon green color. Now if you can't find your color in the list, so for example if you have an orange color, then you just want to pick the color that's closest to your object. And of course you can also change the saturation and the lightness as well to either make this brighter or darker. Now, if when you're changing these sliders, it's also changing another color on the screen that you don't want to change, I'm going to show you how we can fix that. So just come out of the properties window like so. Go and click on the white layer next to Hue and Saturation. And then you need to come over on the left hand side and click on the paintbrush tool. Now come down to the color palette over here and you need to make sure that this top color is black. So just go and select black from the color palette, and you can always switch these colors by clicking the arrow at the bottom. And now all you need to do is paint over the selection that you want to revert back to its original color. And obviously you can change the size of the brush at the top as well if you need to make this bigger or smaller. And then we can simply paint over the areas that we want to change back to their original color. So you can see that as I repaint the car, it's turning it back to a red color. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.